Hey, good afternoon. My name is Brandon Weaver. I'm here at the International Used Truck Center here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today I'm standing next to this International LT sleeper truck that is equipped with a no-idle battery-powered HVAC system. It's also equipped with a auto stop-start feature. Today I just want to show you how that feature works so that you can possibly have a nicer experience on the road and stay more comfortable in your truck while you're sleeping at night. Come on in and let me show you how this feature operates. If your truck is equipped with the auto stop start feature, it will have the rocker switch that you see in the right hand side of the screen labeled auto stop start. From this point, with the truck off, we will then take the key and cycle to the run position, allowing the gauges to cycle. After they have done that, we will then turn the key in the off position and hold down the auto stop start button. You will see that the light will turn green, indicating that the auto stop start feature is on. You can then go back to the back of the truck and turn on the cool if you want AC, or the heat if you need heat. When using the auto stop start feature, once the charging system drops below 12 volts, the truck will then kick on and charge the battery system up to operating levels. The engine will then shut off and you can go back to normal. At the end of your break, and when you're ready to resume your normal driving, simply turn off the no idle system in the bunk and come to the front dash and hit stop on the auto stop start feature. This will then turn off the truck, and then you can restart the truck and resume driving operation. Hey, I hope that video on how to operate your auto stop start feature on your International LT was beneficial. May save you some time and some headache and create a little comfort for you while you're in your cab sleeping.